How to create smooth speed ramping graphs in After Effects. This is great for car edits, drone shots, gaming clips, or even action shots. It adds a nice touch to your edit. But how do you create smooth speed ramping graph? Let's dive right into the video. First, we need to have clips. I have found my clips on YouTube. This time, I will use a car shot as an example. Now, right click on the clip and go to time. Then, select the Enable Time Remapping. You can play with the speed ramp. Next, make a keyframe at the beginning for time remap. Then, go to the end of the clip using the shortcut O and make another keyframe. Play with the time remap, making sure to adjust it throughout the whole clip. Now, select the keyframes and apply Easy Ease by pressing F9. Then, go to the graph editor. We will make the first graph for this shot. I will create 4 graphs with different outcomes. The first one has a fast start and end. It's a smooth graph and I really like it. It's my favorite. Feel free to play with it. By the way, make sure to turn on motion blur. If your files are 30 FPS instead of 60, it might not look as smooth. Ensure to set pixel motion on. You can do this by clicking twice on the blending mode option. Here's another one. It starts fast but ends smoothly. This is also a nice one. Now for the third graph, it's smooth. Make the first point high and the second point low. This makes for a fast start and end, with the middle being slow. For the last one, go to Edit Speed Graph instead of Edit Value Graph. Drag the first point to the maximum length. This gives you a slow start and fast end. You can reverse it for a fast start and slow end. In my opinion, it's also a really nice and smooth graph. These are the graphs I use most for edits. Just experiment with them to get the best results for your edits. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.